Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making a very powerful hair spray with just 2 ingredients that will stop your hair shedding and also make your hair grow. The first ingredient is cloves, as we can see, and the second ingredient is black seed, or can be called kalonji seed, and this is how it looks like. Let's talk about the black seed. Black seed will suit your scalp condition. It stimulates hair growth. It conditions and softens your hair. It promotes blood circulation to your hair. And you know, when there is blood circulation, your hair will definitely grow. It also prevents hair graying. Now to the cloves. Cloves are full of high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. So I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon of these seeds each, because we're not making that much. It's only a hair spray, and I'll also be telling you how to use it, when to use it, and all of that. These seeds are considered to be Ayurvedic, or an Ayurvedic treatment for your hair, for your scalp, even to the body, and it can be used to protect your scalp from dandruffs. So I'm just going to add in 1 cup of water and just let it boil for about 5 minutes, and nothing more than that. So if you have strong hair, or hair that is, your scalp is itchy, or you have dandruff, or your hair is always shedding, please use this recipe. I'm begging you, please use this recipe. If you see any recipe online that says use this thing and your hair will grow overnight, don't even bother wasting your data to watch those kind of videos. Your hair cannot and will not grow overnight. What all these things will do to your hair is to stop the hair shedding, is to stop the hair breakage. And when your hair is not breaking, your hair is not shedding, what will happen? You start to retain length, and your hair will start to get healthy. So after boiling, I'm just going to sieve out the juice from the seeds. And by the way, you can reuse the seeds. After sieving it, you can reuse the sieve, reboil it, and use it again. It is still full of nutrients. And if you would like to see more recipes on how to grow your hair, DIYs, stuffs, I have a lot on my channel. Just go to the playlist and the hair care section, or I'll just put the link in the description box. There are lots of things you can use on your hair to make your hair grow yourself. And lest I forget, stop all those very difficult hair, the hair that will put force, or that will strain your scalp, or hair that will strain your edges. Stop doing all those hair and go into protective hair styling fully. So I'm just going to transfer this water, the cloves and blackseed water, into my bottle. So before we move on, let me just call you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and do not forget to give this video a like. See, don't even act like you saw that my unmoisturized hand, please. Anyways, I'm just going to transfer my juice into the bottle with the aid of a funnel, and it doesn't matter, this the residue does not matter. Since we are using a spray bottle, it's not going to come out from the spray bottle. So yeah, so you use this on your hair. You first spray your hair with this water, then you apply your oil. You can also check my videos to know how to make hair growth oil that will grow your hair without having to buy anything. Then you apply your hair cream, like your shea butter or your normal hair cream. You need to use this water on your hair every single day, or at least once in 2 days, you get. And surely your hair will start to retain length when it stops shedding. So that is all for today. Till I see you again in my next video. Bye.